Hi guys, welcome. We're going to go over Unit 3, Lesson 1. This is Introduction to the App Unit. So in this unit we will be building an app by the end and learning how to interact with it and how to make things work the way that you want them to. So to start off with, we're just going to think about how apps work and kind of explore an app that is built in the Code Studio. So in your first part of the activity, it's called App Exploration. You're going to start at level 2, and you're going to try and just go through and just try and answer these questions. How does the user interact with the app? What is the overall purpose of the app? And who is the target audience? Try and figure out what is the goal of this app. So again, you can go to level 2 just by clicking here and signing into your account. This should take you straight to bubble 2. And you're going to kind of run through this. So you can hit run. You can hit next, you can see what goes on, kind of take a look at it and see what happens, and then reflect on this. Once you're finished, you can click finish, continue, and then that'll take you on to your next one. You've got another one to interact with, so you're just going to be sampling a few of these. So up to level 6. You'll get all the way to this bubble, go all the way through it, and that's just exploring and in your head or talking with somebody else near you or your family or whoever you've got around you. Just kind of figure out what is the purpose of these apps and what are they trying to do and show you. How have they arranged the information? Then, if I go back, so I've answered that, then what you'll do is you'll watch this video, and then after watching this video, you're going to move on to the app investigation, and you're going to take and explore some more examples on Code Studio, and this time now you'll start at level 7, and you're going to consider what are the inputs and outputs. So you really need to watch this video to make sure that you understand what inputs and outputs are in order to be able to do this next part. So then when I go to Code Studio, I can go back to, again, click over to 7. That should take you straight to that video that's already embedded. So if you watched it in Canvas, you can click continue. And then you'll move on to 8. And you're going to take a look at these same apps, but with a different perspective. Inputs and outputs. What are they? Okay, try and figure those all out. And then at the end, you're going to add these 3 words to your glossary. And then you'll double check that you've got all bubbles complete on your Code Studio. So take a look at the top. Are they all colored in? If they are, you're good to go, and you can move on to the last part. Submit a screenshot of your answer in bubble 13 or copy and paste your answer. So in bubble 13,